Hello, plastic.
Hello, glass. Maybe later. I'd like to keep things under control this time.
Why are you here? You know you're polluting the oceans.
At least I don't shatter when I fall. Ooh, I'm glass. I'm so sensitive. I'll break if I fall.
At least I'm not made of chemicals and polluting the oceans.
Do you think there's too much plastic? Can it contaminate the oceans? As Dillon Kaleda reports, some researchers say that by mid-century, the ocean will contaminate more plastic waste than fish.
Every year, more than 100 billion plastic bags are used by Americans. It's not just plastic bags, however. Everything from soda and juice to mayonnaise and dressing is packaged in plastic. And now, even Snapple is being sold in plastic bottles. So that raised the question, what do students think about all this plastic waste?
I think it is better because if you drop glass, it'll shatter, crack, and then get all messed up. But with plastic, you can drop it and you can reuse it more easily.
I personally don't like it because it harms the environment and all the ocean's animals, and I love the ocean.
There are many companies that have recently changed from glass to plastic. Some do it to save money, while others say glass is too vulnerable to breakage. Snapple, Prego, and Ragu are 3 products that have changed to plastic. We asked students for their preference.
Honestly, I prefer glass because it looks better. Even though it is more fragile and it will drop and cracks every now and then, it looks better, it has a better presentation, and you can use it more.
Glass because it doesn't harm the ocean.
A recent study released by Kansas University Medical Center tested for levels of plastic chemicals in the body. After just 3 days of avoiding plastic packaging, the urine samples showed significant reductions of plastic chemicals in the body.
I think it's honestly not a good thing. A lot of people don't recycle, so it's going to get wasted, and then a lot of plants and animals are going to die from this. It's not good for them or anyone.
I feel like it harms the animals a lot, and it kills most of the percent of the ocean's animals, and they don't bother you, so you shouldn't bother them.
Some families recycle while some don't. This can often cause problems for the environment. Experts say it takes 450 years for plastic waste to decompose in landfills.
In other words, if I throw away this plastic bottle or this CD jewel box, it will take until 2518 to start to decompose and break down.
Between 2004 and 2014, the global production of plastics grew from 225 million tons to 311 million. But students here at Washington Park try to recycle. According to a Nat Geo study, only 9% of plastic is recycled in the U.S.
I recycle because I think it is better for the plants and animals on the earth.
I try to recycle because we don't have a recycling bin in our house, so every time I notice a recycling bin, I always recycle.
According to the EPA, in 2014 in the United States, about 258 million tons of municipal solid waste was generated. Over 89 million tons of waste was recycled and composted, equivalent to a 34.6% recycling rate. In addition, over 33 million tons of waste was combusted with energy recovery. 136 million tons were sent to landfills.
While plastic waste still continues to increase, people still choose not to recycle. One simple solution is to drop your plastic waste in a recycling bin. Dillon Kaleda, TBN.